David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. Okay, I know baseball can be a slow game.
Nobody seems to know what to get Millie or Jimmy for their wedding present. Is that about right?
That's right.
We're dealing with a lot of shit.
Okay, well, candlesticks always make a nice gift, and maybe you can find out where she's registered, maybe a place setting or maybe a silverware pattern too. Okay, let's get to. Let's go.
But the one going on here behind the Federal Reserve Bank must be the slowest ever. Who's on first? I don't know. But there is a pitcher, a batter, and a catcher, and an umpire who's definitely blind. The best part about this game is there's never been a rain delay. The sculptor is John Dreyfus. It's called Full Count. He made these in 1988, and he put these bronze pieces in correct game positions. You can watch the game anytime. It's at Edward Kelly Park in the Foggy Bottom neighborhood at 21st Street and Virginia Avenue Northwest. I wonder what the score is. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.